Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers in two ways. Now, the first way is to just right click on your start and go to Device Manager. From here, just expand this window and then just go to the device or driver that you want to update drivers of. For example, display drivers, which is basically the graphics drivers. So just go to your graphics card and right click on it and click on update driver. Then you can click search automatically for drivers and it will search for the best drivers for you and install it for you. Then just click on close. Another thing you can do is just right click on it, click on update driver, or click on browse my computer for drivers. This is gonna search for the best drivers on your computer, and if it finds any, it's gonna allow you to install it from there. So do it for all the devices that drivers you want to be updated to. So do it for all of them, then just close this. This was the first step. Another thing you can do is just right click on start and go to settings, expand settings. From here, just go to update and security. From here, just update your Windows. Just search for update. It's going to bring all the graphics drivers update, all the drivers update for you. And you can update it from here as well. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC after every update. And basically, that is how to update drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.